Well, I could have left well enough alone, but of course in perfect Wick Ranch style, we're not gonna. So now we're gonna see if we can get these two tractors started. As long as we're on the lines of starting lawn tractors. This first one we should try is this one. This one's dang near brand new. So it should fire right up. At least I would think. Not even going to drain the bowl or anything like that. We're just going to remember how to start this thing. This thing's got way too many levers and switches for my taste. See, the PTO's off. And the throttle's all the way up. And it's choked. You push the clutch down. Oh, still got good juice. Wonder what's going on here. This one should have fired right up. Check and see if we got any gas here. It looks like we do. Guess maybe we could add some. Well, that gauge down there's telling me we don't. Well, we'll add some gas. Well, we put some gas in it. So we'll try it again now. See what happens. I guess we're out of juice. Huh. Why are the lights on? Huh. So I guess we'll try the trusty old tiller. And this is a John Deere 212. Runs a 12 horse Kohler. And this one's actually pretty awful dependable. I can't speak for that one yet because I don't know that I really care much for it. And because we haven't had it very long. So let's give this one a try. See if we got any juice. Whoa, look at that! I'll be dang! Yeah, that's all right there. We like it. Oh yeah, she's sweet. Well, I brought the battery charger out here. Got it on full charge. We'll see if we can get this silly thing to crank over. For anybody that's interested, it is a L130. Runs a V-twin Kohler 23 horse. And it's got 236 hours on it. Now, here goes again. Still not getting nothing. You'd sure think this thing would start up better than that. Try it again. What a silly pig. Maybe these newer Kohlers just suck. Kind of starting to think so. If you've seen my Kohler generator cold start video, I'm starting to think maybe they just started making a piece of crap. I sure like the older ones though. That tiller started alright. Hell, even my lawnmower started alright after I got some little quirks worked out from leaving it outside. Hey, here we go again. Now my charger's failing on me. I'm gonna have to wait for it to charge up a bit, and then maybe we can do something with it. Well, while I was waiting for the battery to charge, I checked a couple things out, got down in the carburetor, figured out that there was no fuel going to it. The float had stuck over the summer, so we're just putting this back together now, and we're going to see what happens. Got the air filter on. You know, I should have learned my lesson from the last mower I was working on and not put it all together before I knew that it would start. We've already been through that one once, right? And then while I was waiting, I also had a cool, refreshing beverage. We like it. Maybe it'll start now. A little beer always loosens them up, eh? But, oh, and I found something else out that's just nifty about these new lawnmowers. They've got tasty, refreshing beverage holders. We like it. So, away we go. Push in the clutch and give her a shot anyway. Oh! Well, that sure helped a lot. See, I told you a little beer will loosen them up. Oh, shit. What now? I don't even know if I want to try it again. Okay, we got her started again. Close the hood here. Oh shit, that's right. On these newer lawnmowers, if you get off the seat, then the mower shuts off because it doesn't want anybody getting off the mower and hurting themselves. I'm with Dave Rock. Fuck health and safety. There we go. See, and then it shuts off. Well, we have a success. Sounds good to me.